Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jax in a fast food uniform. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the visor. And then another curve on top. Now from both ends, let's step in and let's draw a small line up and another curve across the top. Now top underneath, and let's draw an oval shaped curve for the shape of the head. And now let's hop in and draw the eyes. Underneath in the center, let's draw two curves down and in. And then two more on the sides. And then curves underneath to close off the eyes. Next, let's move inside and let's draw a square shape at the bottom for the pupils. And color both of these in black. Now top underneath and let's draw the mouth. We'll start with the curve across. And then another one underneath. Now inside the mouth, for the teeth, let's draw a line down in the center, and then two on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now top up and draw the ears. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and out. And the same on the right. Now from the tops, let's curve it back down. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw two lines down for the neck. And then a wider V shape underneath. Now from the sides, let's angle it down and out. Two more angles in the middle. And then close off each side of the collar with a curve at the bottom. Now for the sides of the collar, let's curve it out and down for the shoulders. Then let's hop inside and let's draw two lines down for the sides of the body. And close it off at the bottom with the curve across. Now let's hop out to the shoulders and let's draw a curve in for the bottom of the sleeves. Next, inside the shirt, let's add some details. Let's draw two lines down the center. And then on the top left, let's draw a rectangle for the name tag. And that's it for the shirt. Now let's move down and draw the apron. From the sides of the body, let's angle it down and out. And then a curve at the bottom. Next, let's hop out and add the arms. Underneath each of the sleeves, let's draw two lines down. And then a curve at the bottom. Now for the gloves, let's draw another curve around each of the bottom of the arms. Now top underneath, and from the inside, let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumbs. then a larger curve underneath and back up for the rest of the hands. Now let's hop back to the bottom and let's draw the legs. Let's draw 2 lines down on the left side and 2 on the right. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve across, and then another curve inside. Now underneath, let's add the feet. Let's draw a line down from the inside, and then curve it out and down on the other side like this. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for Jax. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!